Hi, it's Hadreset and today I'll show you how to fix location accuracy issues on OnePlus Nord 6. First, scroll from the top, then click and hold onto location. Make sure that it is enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning and enable both of these options. It will do that the apps will scan for Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and it is used to improve location-based features and services. Then go into the settings and then right here apps, app management, then find Google Maps, storage usage and clear cache. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.